In the world of all-season tires, two contenders stand out: the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3, launched in 2023, and the Dunlop Sport All-Season, a proven choice since 2020. Today, we pit these two against each other to see which one comes out on top. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 showcases its strength, stopping 1.3 meters shorter in wet braking compared to the Dunlop. It also handles wet corners with precision, completing laps faster and resisting aquaplaning at higher speeds. While the Dunlop Sport All-Season performs admirably, the Pirelli outshines it in all wet metrics, making it the safer choice in rainy conditions. On snow, the Dunlop takes a slight lead in braking, stopping 0.8 meters shorter, but when it comes to handling, the Pirelli pulls ahead, providing quicker lap times and more confident control on snowy roads. If you need better snow handling, the Pirelli is your go-to, though the Dunlop remains a strong contender for braking. When it comes to ice, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 outperforms the Dunlop Sport All-Season. The Pirelli stops nearly 0.6 meters shorter on ice, and it accelerates more quickly, offering better traction and control. In dry conditions, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 truly shines, stopping a significant 5.3 meters shorter than the Dunlop. It also delivers a more responsive driving experience, making it the preferred choice for dry road performance. But performance isn't everything. When it comes to durability, the Dunlop Sport All-Season outlasts the Pirelli by over 2,400 kilometers, making it a more economical choice for those looking for long-lasting tires. The Dunlop also boasts lower rolling resistance, offering better fuel efficiency. In terms of noise, the Pirelli is slightly quieter, though the difference is minimal. So, which tire should you choose? The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 excels in wet, dry, and ice performance, offering top-tier handling and safety, while the Dunlop Sport All-Season excels on mileage and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.